I have nothing to say except that this is a disappointment, this is a failure, this is incompetence at the highest level. What sort of road is this? Now cracks here. This is the quality of the road that we have. You see, looks like a pranta. This is the quality of the road that we have. Incompetent work, really incompetent work. Not impressed at all, not impressed. Friends, it will be a shame to call this a newly constructed road, as this is the condition only after a few months. And one thing is for certain, either the contractor doesn't know how to build roads. This is the thickness of the road. This. Friends, who builds a road like this? This is the level of thickness. It will be a shame to call this a new road. Brand new road. Friends, I can tell you that if the quality of the road was good, if the tarmac was of top quality, if the construction work was good, this would have never happened. This would have never happened. Friends, I do not understand the logic of filling mud on potholes. It makes the condition even worse. You see, friends, the contractors that built this road, the supervising engineers, they had the chance to rectify this place once and for all. Once and for all. But they did nothing. They did nothing. Friends, let's drive on and check this road further. It will be a shame to call this a brand new road, friends. The tarmac is gone here, guys. And friends, this too is a brand new road. So I guess it's safe to say that our contractors cannot build roads. Cannot build roads that can last. No one can build roads that can last in our hometown. And I'm beginning to see that truth. No one can. Friends, today I'm going to take a tour of all the new roads recently constructed in Ziro. The main purpose of this little survey is to check if the roads need maintenance, if there are potholes that developed in the recent times. Therefore, I would like to request concerned authorities, local contractors to be with me in this little survey, in this video. My name is Dusupi Sirius, you are watching AP Direct, and this is a special report. For the sake of convenience, I will begin this little survey right here from Pariami. This is the road that leads to Gano, and this will be the first road that I take a little survey. Friends, I found some blemishes on the road, and I'll show you. Friends, right here, the road has a lot of crack. It doesn't look like a brand new road at all. Let me show you a closer look. These are all loose gravel. You can see that the thickness is really thin, and I suppose that's the reason this road cracked. Friends, it's a shame that this is a newly constructed road, and this is the condition only after a few months. As you can see, there are potholes that developed, there are cracks. This is really poor work from whoever the contractor and the supervising engineer is. There are a lot of cracks on this road, and this is a shame. Friends, it will be a shame to call this a newly constructed road, as this is the condition only after a few months. I can surely say that there are signs of maintenance work here, but lackluster maintenance, not proper maintenance, as the road has full of cracks here. And one thing is for certain, either the contractor doesn't know how to build roads, or the department that supervised the construction of this road did not do their job properly. And let me show you how thick this road is. Let me show you. You stay with me, friends. Alright, let's take a look at the thickness here. This is the thickness of the road. This. Friends, who builds a road like this? This is the level of thickness. It will be a shame to call this a new road. Friends, I would like to request the concerned departments, the local contractors, that you should repair this as soon as possible. Because if you don't, this is only the beginning and there could be much worse situation here. So I would like to request the respective departments and the local contractor that this should be repaired as soon as possible for the convenience of the people. So let me tell you again that this is the road that leads from Pariyami near Holiday Resort till SSB Gate. It is that road. Friends, let's drive on and check this road further. It will be a shame to call this a brand new road, friends. Now, friends, what happened here? What happened here? Friends, this portion of the road is in such a sorry state, and it definitely looks like an earth mover, JCB, a tractor went through here. Brand new road. Friends, I can tell you that if the quality of the road was good, if the tarmac was of top quality, if the construction work was good, this would have never happened. This would have never happened. You look at our highway, nothing of this sort happens there because the road was built sturdy, the levels of road was good, and this kind of thing happens only where the construction work was poor. So this is the level of the road, and right here somebody tried to fill some mud here, and let me tell you that mud is not advisable. I can surely say that the cement road that leads to a medical line is surely not in a very good condition, but it will survive longer than this road. Tarmac, cement, and I am certain about it, this will outlast this road. So again, it's the same request to the concerned departments that overlooked the construction of this road. It's the same request to the local contractor who built this road that repair it ASAP. This cannot stay like this. Given this is a new road, newly constructed road, this must be repaired as soon as possible. Friends, I do not understand the logic of filling mud on potholes. It makes the condition even worse. So somebody tried to fill mud here. Stupid decision. And I can surely say that there will be more blemishes and potholes on this road. The reason being the thickness is too low. If I had the detailed project report on my hands now, I could actually measure the thickness of the tarmac here, but unfortunately that's not with me. Those paperworks are not with me, so whatever I see is going to be substantial like potholes, like cracks, and that's all you need to know. If you see potholes, if you see cracks on a brand new road, it means the road has not been constructed properly under the given guidelines. Friends, this place has no proper drainage. That's the reason water is accumulating here, and this part of the road is never clear of the water. Something must be done here, and that's what I believe. As you can see, the road has a slight incline towards the left, and that's the reason this water cannot flow out to the drain on that side. If water accumulates this way, this will be the breeding ground for mosquitoes and God knows what kind of diseases. Anyway, let's take our journey ahead. I see some more potholes here. Friends, this pothole a few weeks ago was small, but after several cars, heavy goods vehicle ran over, the potholes are big now. That is what happens. Everything starts small, and later on the condition worsens. And it is the same request to the concerned authorities, to the local contractor, that you must repair this road as soon as possible. It's a good thing that I'm covering this entire segment in English, because if I spoke in Hindi, it would have been more harsh. And there's a lot of heavy goods vehicle pass through this road every day, I can tell you that. And this condition, if overlooked, if taken for granted, will worsen. I'm telling you that. And it is, and I think it's the right time to repair this. Friends, in just one new road, there are so many blemishes, so many potholes. As you can see, I can surely say that this is really poor work, incompetent work from the respective departments, from the respective contractors. Incompetent work. That's the word. Incompetent. And if they carry on half-hearted maintenance work, the conditions will not improve. This road needs to be rebuilt here. Friends, this specific part of this road never improves. Let me show you. This part, it's very close to All India Radio. Sorry, Akashwani Ziro. This is the same case as before. Water always accumulates here, and actually this is a very risky zone, because I have seen that even sand accumulates here. And the reason sand accumulates here is because the water from up that slope brings sand all over to this place, and that could pose serious questions of fatality to the riders. As you can see, there are no drains again. No drains. No drains at all. Maybe on that side there's drain, but as there is a gentle incline, just like before, the water cannot go. There's no way for water to reach that drain. Perhaps a culvert was needed here, but I don't know. Only the community can find a solution for this, as the department, they saw this while constructing. They knew about this condition, and still they did nothing for this job. There should have been a drainage or a cross section of some sort here, but I don't see anything. You see, friends, The contractors that built this road, the supervising engineers, they had the chance to rectify this place once and for all, but they did nothing. And now there's no way for this water to pass to that drain. There should have been a little drainage here, or a drain below this road. There's no drainage on this side. Practically the breeding ground for dangerous insects, mosquitoes, dengue. Although we don't see the cases of dengue and malaria in Ziro much these days, but still precaution must be taken. And the reason for the accumulation of this water is this slope. It never improves, friend. It never improves. Friends, it's for a fact that not all roads can have only one drain. Sometimes some sections of the road must have drains on both sides. As you can see, there's a drain on this side, but the fields are towards this side, the side of the wall. So drainage is needed here. Friends, right now I'm in Hari village. As you can see in the board behind me, the project that I'm about to survey now has been constructed by Tunya Commercial. That is, the project has been funded by NABARD. So let's take a look ahead. And I think I already like the quality of the road here. The thickness is somewhat better than the thickness that was at the road in Gano. Although I finally saw some cracks here. Friends, right now I am in Hari village and I saw some cracks on a brand new road here, which could soon be brand new potholes on a brand new road. Loose gravel, as you can see, and this is a brand new road, and this was built much later than the one in Gano, and there's crack already here. And by the marks of wheel, you can say that a lot of heavy goods vehicle pass through this road, and if this continues to stay like this, the condition would be much worse. There are cracks that have appeared here, and I think I saw some cracks here too. Yes, here's a crack, as you can see. It's a brand new road, and there are cracks already. This too. The moment this will be shattered, there will be potholes here. This is how it happens. Even this portion has cracks, uneven surface here too, and this is going to be brand new potholes soon. And this is a new road, brand new road, and cracks already. Now the rest of the road is all right, the thickness really good, but this portion, maintenance is required around this portion. So since implementing firm is Tunya Commercial, you must take a look at this and do some maintenance work here. Alright, let's proceed. Since a lot of sand mining, or land mining as you say it, occurs up there, I saw that a lot of sand is spilled on the road all the way. As far as your side goes, there are sands. Big trucks move around these parts. Friends, this part of the road has already sunken in, Really poor work here. Something big moved from here, and this part has already caved in, and there's just gravel now, loose gravel, and the funny thing is, this is a brand new road, and I can say that this is not the work of medium goods vehicle or bikes or SUVs. This is the work of heavy goods vehicle, and probably this happened when the road was still very fresh. It had fresh tarmac, but this needs to be repaired. That's what I believe. Really abysmal condition here. The condition is really poor here. As you can see, let me give you a closer look. So this is the condition of the road. Needs immediate maintenance, and I repeatedly say, otherwise the condition could be much worse. I'd like to repeat that this part is Sia Piro. There are more cracks now as I head towards yacht. Cracks, little tiny cracks here and there, but if heavy goods vehicle keep moving here, the condition will worsen. Again, loose gravel. The tarmac is gone here. As you can see, the tarmac is gone here, guys. And friends, this too is a brand new road. So I guess it's safe to say that our contractors cannot build roads. Cannot build roads that can last. Friends, I have to state this. This road will not last even a year. And I'm being generous with the time limit here. This road will not last even 1 year. After a few months of its construction, this is the condition. This is the condition. It's a shame to say that this is a brand new road. How can you say this is a brand new road when you have such kind of blemishes and cancer on this road? Cracks here, excess tarmac here. The tarmac from this portion, by the weight of a heavy goods vehicle, has shifted towards the outer edge. All the tarmac is here now. Really poor work. Really poor work. And I want to bring it to you that the executing agency, the contractor, the supervisor of this road has failed us. They did not do a good job. No maintenance whatsoever. And even if they perform some maintenance activity here, the road won't last, because the base is not strong. Maintenance cannot fix this. This is just how the road was built. Really poor work. Really poor work. Without doubt, our contractors are incompetent in building good roads. Incompetent. Although I would not add PHC, Panahinda's construction company, into that bracket, because they can make roads and our highway is the proof. But the rest of the road inside the villages, the rural parts, incompetent work, friends. Incompetent work. I have nothing to say except that this is a disappointment. This is a failure. This is incompetence at the highest level. What sort of road is this? Now cracks here. This is the quality of the road that we have. Is the quality of the road that we have. You see? Looks like a pranta. This is the quality of the road that we have. Incompetent work. Really incompetent work. Not impressed at all. Not impressed. And this is the way to yacht. Brand new road. No one can build roads that can last in our hometown, and I'm beginning to see that truth. No one can. How is Lower Ring Road look somewhat okay? I found no cracks just yet. I cannot say for sure what lies ahead. So far, so good. Basta. I can say that this road is a much better work compared to that one, the one that led to Sia Piro. No cracks, no potholes. This even has a road marking. This part of the road is yet to be constructed. Yet to be constructed. Let's check this road. No maintenance work needed right now. No cracks, no potholes, no loose gravel. I suppose this is what you call a work well done. Friends, it's getting late, and I would like to say that things I have shown, it's nothing personal, and if the concerned authorities are watching this video, immediate maintenance work is required. It's getting late now, and I shall do the rest of this coverage tomorrow. Thank you for watching this. My name is Sia, and you are watching special report on the India. Stay healthy and take care.